Welcome. Video number 3. Simple chest breathing and observe the entire chest all around, how much expand and how much it contracts. So sit straight, comfortable, jaw relaxed, spine erect, and feel the flow of energy from head to face and neck, shoulders, chest, tummy, arms, legs, relax. Front chest rising. Inhale, exhale. The breath shouldn't be deep, just normal breathing. Inhale, exhale. Bring the awareness to the breath. Inhale, exhale. Just pay attention. Inhale, how much chest is rising front. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. One more. Inhale, exhale. Simple, easy breath with awareness. Now, both palms on the both side of the chest and see how much with each breath the rib cages expand. So breathe in, exhale. Breathe in and observe the expansion on the sides, rib cages. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Bring the awareness to the expansion of the chest from sides. Exhale. Last. Inhale. Exhale. Bring the palm on your knees. Relax. Now observe the back, your vertebra and the rib cage from the back side, how much it rises. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. In, out. In, out. In, out. 2 more. You do it on your own. Now, just observe the entire chest all around. Expansion and contraction. Close your eyes. Inhale. Exhale. In. Exhale. I'm breathing in. I'm breathing out. I'm breathing in now. I'm breathing out now. I'm breathing in. I'm breathing out. 3 more on your own. Now relax and still keep your eyes closed and observe the body is breathing by itself. The only difference is now you are more aware of the breath and the expansion of your rib cages. And maybe you can detect and feel the entire body is breathing. Body is breathing in. The whole body is breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Feel the joy in your body. In, out. In, out. In, out. You continue breathing and I will guide you. So observe the body, observe the joy in your body, observe your mind is more relaxed and more quiet. Observe the sensation which arises in your body. And feel how much peace and joy. And when you have peace and joy, observe your chest and feel the love. Feel the love in your body and in your chest. Feel the love in your heart. And send this love to your loved one. And mainly to yourself. I am relaxed. I am calm. I am present here and now. You can keep breathing